Welcome to my channel Drive America. This is Honda BR-V, the stylish and practical 7-seater SUV that continues Honda's legacy of reliability and smart family design. The latest BR-V comes with a bolder and more confident look, featuring a completely redesigned front fascia with a larger chrome grille, sharper LED headlamps, and a muscular bumper that gives it a premium SUV presence on the road. The long character lines along the body add aerodynamic efficiency, while the raised bonnet and sculpted sides create a tough yet elegant appearance. At the back, the 2025 BR-V sports sleek LED tail lamps connected by a refined chrome strip, a wider tailgate, and a cleaner overall profile that improves visibility and adds a modern touch. The 17-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and subtle body cladding make it look athletic without losing its family-friendly personality. Under the hood, the BR-V 2025 is powered by a refined 1.5-liter IVTEC engine paired with either a CVT automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, tuned for better torque delivery, fuel efficiency, and smoother performance, ideal for both city traffic and highway cruising. Honda's engineers have improved the suspension and chassis setup to enhance ride comfort while maintaining stability even on rougher surfaces. Step inside and the cabin feels modern, airy, and premium. The dashboard is redesigned with a layered finish featuring soft touch materials and a new digital analog instrument cluster that gives clear driver information. The large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while physical climate control knobs, USB ports, and smart storage spaces add everyday convenience. The steering wheel is multifunctional with integrated controls and wrapped in fine leather for a comfortable grip. Cabin insulation has been improved, reducing road noise for a more refined driving experience. Safety has also been a key focus. Honda's sensing driver assist technology now includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and automatic high beam control, making the BR-V one of the safest SUVs in its class. Moving toward the seating area, the BR-V 2025 truly shines as a practical 7-seater. The second row seats are designed with a one-touch tumble mechanism for easy access to the third row, while the third row seats can be folded flat to create generous cargo space. Both rows feature improved cushioning and support, making long journeys more comfortable for every passenger. Premium fabric or optional leather upholstery adds to the upscale atmosphere, while rear air vents and cup holders ensure a pleasant ride for all occupants. Overall, the Honda BR-V 2025 delivers a complete package of smart design, fuel efficiency, advanced technology, and spacious comfort, proving why it remains one of the most dependable and family-oriented SUVs in its category.